大丈夫です。
はい。
こういうのも。七味うどん。
UFO 도. (4월 6일부터) 되고 일부 메뉴만 되나봐. 나도 이거 먹을 거지. 그리고 나는 그냥 이 중에 하나 먹어야 될 것 같은데?
이거.
특이하지? 소스가 특이하지 않아?
키커피가. 우리한테 안 좋은 추억 좀.
브랜드 커피도 맛있어.
내거 먹어. 많이 든 걸로.
똑같아. 메이로요?
Falling to pieces in my room. You're coming over, that's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen.
オーツミルクのラテ。ありがとうございます。いつもなんか携帯でビデオ撮ります。うん。美味しそう。でもなんかめっちゃ美味しそう。そうかな。いろんな種類がありますよね。そうみたい。で？知らん。言ったらしい？好きない？わかんない。なんかできないという。できるじゃん。でも食べ物取らない。それで今日が最後だと思ったんですけど。 わかる？このお店？
お店？
はい。調べます？
うん、調べました。
Silver dollars and champagne for the trouble. It's a t-shirt in the backseat